Good evening. We're on the way to Final Bout right now.
Final Bout.
Final Bout?
Final Bout. Final Bout.
Not the first, the final.
Bow, bow.
Bow, bow. Bow. What the fuck going on over here?
Oh yeah, if y'all want to go, I'm about to set up a GoFundMe to fix my door speakers and shit. Help a brother out, man.
You need to fix this. We about to get back on the road.
We done right now. I just fixed it.
We got Isaac's 240. We got Isaac's belly. Boop.
Bow, bow.
We got the Celsior. And then we got my 240. So we about to get back on the road now. 2 more hours. Total of like a 3.5 hour, 4 hour drive. Not bad. Let's get back on the road. Bow.
Put the thing the fuck away. What are you filming? We already did that.
Doing B-roll. Sucked up water.
Yeah, it sucked up water. Again.
Oh boy.
It's got a fucking stock air box.
You need, honestly, bro, buy a shitty intake here. I'm dead at. That box is probably holding water right at the bottom. Right now.
It sucked up water. I don't know what there is. It's not even wet right here. What the fuck got wet? Bro, it's not even wet.
You sucked up water.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
We just properly disposed of it.
Properly disposed. OSHA approved.
Yeah, not in a dumpster behind the AutoZone.
All right, we're about to put the car back on the ground and see if it run like a shit or run like a good. What do you vote? Run like a shit or running like a good?
Run like a good.
I got a new geek bar.
New geek bar.
It's gonna run bad. Where's my geek bar?
All right, I'm putting it back on the ground now. What the fuck? What is going on? Bro, where are we?
What in the world?
The pizzas as well.
Yeah, I'll repeat this just to make sure I got it. It's a large pepperoni, a large cheese, and in the foil pasta with marinara and mushroom, and garlic dip and cup.
Yep, that's correct. Domino's is right there. They wouldn't let us order inside.
Yeah. Domino's literally.
So we called, and now they're gonna deliver to us across the street.
We found an outlet.
All right, we can charge our phone, boys. We're camping tonight.
I'm coming.
There's a cop over there.
We're trapped here.
Cops driving by, it looks like we're just buying drugs on the side of the road.
It's pizza. There you go. Thank you, sir. Yeah, Ralph, sign that up. Give him a tip.
Yeah, it's Aaron's card, right?
Yeah, tip him for that. It's Aaron's card, not ours.
Cool, thank you.
You guys need a copy?
No, you don't happen to have an injector for a 240 SX, do you?
I do not.
All right.
Well, worth a shot.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Yep, no problem.
Have a good one.
Ralph said you got an injector for a 240. Then I'll call it. Hot and ready.
All right. Update. I'm sleeping here in my car. I don't know if everybody else is staying here with me, but I'm staying here. Waiting for Events Auto Parts to open at 7:30 in the morning, so I could buy an injector and swap that out. We got our phones charging over on the side of the building over here. Yeah, it's like we're camping. This is like a boys camping trip.
is out.
Yeah, and my car's not here, so
No whip, that's okay.
we're here though, and then we're going back afterwards to try to fix the car. So I guess we'll go ahead and look at some cars. So let's go check some stuff out. Alright, so I was just given a really cool gift here at Final Bout. Put it in focus. He made a Pokemon card. This is sick. He got the pillow I'm gonna sign. So how far did you drive?
Oh, we came from Pittsburgh, PA.
Pittsburgh? Oh, okay.
It was like 3.5 hours.
Oh, that's not bad. That's about what our drive was too.
Yeah, you guys up by Philly?
Yeah, by Philly. This is sick though. You guys all, how many people slept here?
It's just me and my dad.
Cool.
Last night we had a huge projector set up on the side. We were playing Forza.
Damn! You had Forza on the side? That's sick. Good
Yeah.
little camping setup. Got like your little cooking. This is really sick. Do you guys go on a lot of trips with this?
Honestly, this is the first one since it's done. It's a little messy right now, sorry about that.
No, you're good. This is sick. I've always wanted to like do a van and like camp out and stuff like this. This is really, it's roomy in here.
It is.
I mean, my short ass, I could stand all the way up. Look, I got so much room in here. The wood panel, or this is actual, it's not paneling, it's actual wood.
Yeah, that all just got finished. Just waiting on the countertops, but...
Yeah, that's sick. Yo, Isaac!
You in the van?
Yeah, I'm in the van.
What the fuck? What are y'all doing in there, bro?
Him and his dad camped out in this.
No way.
And they had a projector on the side last night playing Forza.
What?
Right?
Damn, that's sick as hell.
This is what we need.
Yeah, we should travel with one of these.
I'd be sick. It's so good. What's up, man? Yeah. How are you?
Fucking hell, chilling.
Yeah.
Had a long day, man.
Look who we ran into.
What's up? We're chilling.
Rate it on a level of 1 or 69.
Fucking huge wing out of 69.
Yeah.
Alright, so
What do we think?
now the
27.
question is, do I go back and buy another one?
Let's see what the camera says.
Oh, alright.
Yes. I'm living through you because I'm not spending money right now.
It's looking really good right now. These guys are, I believe from Florida.
That one's good.
Very popular on the internet.
Yeah,
but,
that's
original wheels. So railing it up. This is a good run though, coming up. Starting to tighten it up here. Something might be wrong with the G45.
That's crazy.
You see his bumper?
That was really good. So again,
I'm gonna fall off the tailgate.
Yeah, Jake fucking around to go to this tailgate.
Don't. That thing's so broken, it will be fun.
All right, shout out
He said, don't worry about it. Yo, that's that kid that drifts. That car's so sick.
shout out Team Hayes for getting second place. Shout out Front Street for first place.
There
What's
goes
up?
Front Street 1. Woo!
So now we're in the back of the truck heading down to the pits so I can find some parts and knowledge to fix my car or not, you know.
Left where the people are.
Oh shit, we're getting chased down.
Man, you're doing great.
Afraid of drowning.
Make a left on the track.
Make a left on the track. Alright, get on track.
You can get in it.
Get in it. It's mine. It's his car. Swear.
Yeah, you can get it.
Yeah, it's mine.
What the heck are you doing?
Shit, chewing up my balls, bro.
Yeah.
It's wet.
What's up, guys? All right, going to try and get the 240 running again. Condos had to come up and tow it, like 2.5 hours away from home. It died on the way to Final Bout, which I'm pretty bummed about. It was only an hour away and started misfiring in the rain, so I think it might be distributor cap, rotor, new wires. So I went ahead and got all that stuff. Shout out AutoZone. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head over there. Put some music on. Air up the car. Let's get to it. Fire it up. Alright, we're back at Nick's garage now, so we're gonna go ahead and pull everything off and then replace it. I don't need to show you guys what it looks like because it's just replacing distributor cap and rotor, pretty easy. So we're gonna go ahead and bang this out and then take it for a test drive. Alright, so we put a new distributor cap new distributor rotor, and new plug wires in, and it ran a little bit better. I took it on a test drive and it kind of was backfiring a lot, and then it died at a red light. So yeah, it's idling better, but then it kind of bogs out after it gets a little bit warm. So there might be a vacuum leak. I don't know. We're gonna have to look into it another day.
Goodbye.